Here's Tommy. Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing great. I'm on adventures right now, so I'm gonna be leaving you with an unboxing. Hope you like it. If you like it, remember to hit the like button. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing to my channel, and remember to hit the notification bell to get notified of my next video. See you in the next one. I like to do a little bit of running, so a while ago I got these running shoes. Yeah, believe it or not, these are running shoes, and they are the most amazing I've ever gotten. As you can see, it's very, very well built. It's very thin, so you don't feel like you're wearing any shoes whatsoever. So it's the best way of running. And I love them so much that I needed to get another pair of them. And I got these shoes. And I love them so much that I also got one for myself and for my wife. So let's open it up. As you can see, these are the ones that I got my wife. Feel the freedom, feel the fun, feel the world. Amazing way of thinking. Here are the social media pages if you want to see more of their products. Let's open it up. Okay. As you can see, they look amazing. They weigh almost nothing. They're very minimalistic, and as you can see, they're thin. They can bend all the way, so it's like it should be like you're wearing nothing. The front, it's very padded, so it's really good. The texture of everything is just great. Let's check on mine. Let's see how different are mine. They should be the same color and everything, but let's see how they are. Okay. Yes, I'm size 13. Same box, same effort, same everything. Everything's the same. Okay, let's see what's inside. Natural fit, natural flex, natural feel. XeroShoes.com. Okay, let's have a look. Ooh. I'm sorry for my wife, but this look better. These are the two amazing people that made these shoes possible. This has been their baby, so I really appreciate all their effort on doing such amazing shoes. If you haven't seen it, this product was on Shark Tank, but it was for the first ones that I showed you, not for this shoe, that are amazing. They feel really, really good. I'm liking this color way better. I'm sorry for my wife, but this color combination, it's just amazing. As you can see, it comes with quick tying shoelaces. Let's take this off so we can do the bend test. Oh, feels really good. And it's so minimalistic that it's amazing. It folds like nothing. This shoe is just crazy. As you can see on the inside, this is made for sticking to your feet and not letting go. You can use it with or without socks, because this infill that you have in there, it helps you out to clear out any water or anything that might get inside the shoe. So this is just amazing. I know that I'm gonna love running with these shoes. Just feels so good. Okay, let's put this to the side. And here they are. The 3 products that I own from Xero Shoes. But this is not all. They have a whole lot of a range of shoes to choose from. So go to their webpage, see all they have to offer. This amazing shoes and others like them that are way thin, that you almost feel nothing while wearing them. So these are the shoes. Go to their webpage, and I really, really recommend them. Hope you liked the video. See you on the next one.